Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacup Tarot. We are back with our readings, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at what messages you need to hear when it comes to your career. You have 3 piles in front of you. Please make sure to pick one that really speaks to you, and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you've selected pile 1, these are the messages that you need to hear when it comes to your work. Now, first of all, pile 1, you're required to have a fixed vision in your life, okay? And see, the reason why this is important is if you do not know what you want out of your life, if you do not know where you want to end up, you'll just be lost in the process. So it is important for you to make plans. It is important to make sure that you have a final destination in mind and work accordingly. Channel your energies in that direction is what is coming through for you. Of course, we have a lot many cards for you, but we are going to be starting off with your tarot. Now, with your tarot, you have 4 of Wands, 5 of Wands, 8 of Swords, Knight of Wands, 4 of Swords, and 8 of Wands once again. Alright. Now, first of all, I really see you guys making a really quick forward movement, okay? Things are really in the action mode here. So you're not really going to have any time to rest is what I'm getting here, okay? Now, you could be moving, like actually traveling in relation to your career, or especially if there is somebody out there who is looking out for a new job. Maybe the job that you're seeking is at a distance from where you're seeking, okay? So of course, promotions, movement because of work is absolutely likely for you. But at the same time, you may also be on the receiving end of some news. Now, you could be getting a letter. Now, this could be a promotion letter. This could be a letter containing information, like especially from university, like telling you about your result or some kind of announcement. Those can actually be happening for you. But at the same time, there is a part of you that is feeling very blocked, okay? You feel like you cannot make changes, you cannot move from where you currently are. Now, this is actually your state of mind. Maybe the work you're into or the kind of work that you're doing is holding you in place. Like maybe your spirit is very restless, you're very creative kind of a person, and your job requires you to do things in a monotonous manner. So this is something you have to address in your own self, okay? Why not try and do things a little bit different? Experiment a little bit, try new avenues of work, take up a course, take up a study schedule and experiment, because there's a little boredom associated with where you are currently. But at the same time, I also feel like if you keep walking the path that you're currently walking with making a couple of changes, you are going to be getting a very good news. Like you're going to be celebrated. You are really coming into that happy place. So especially progression in terms of your work, especially financially, is absolutely on the cards for you. But I feel like as you keep moving forward, you are going to be able to sort of take a step back and relax a little bit, because after that immense energy showing up, a little bit of rest is absolutely what is due for you, and you are getting that. But along with that, your health may suffer because of your work is also coming forth. So especially for people who have very hectic job, or after the lockdown coming to an end and work resuming, maybe the work pressure is going to be so much that you really require to recharge your batteries. So at that point of time, I really want to tell you, if you just schedule a way away from work, just a weekend away from work, that will really help you. But if you in fact want to get better of your work, having a breathing exercise or just waking up a little bit early can help you a great deal. Now, there's one thing that is really standing out is you may actually face some clashes at work. This could be in the form of you not seeing head to head with a colleague or a boss, and certain clashes are in place for you. So understand this. A lot of this that is happening is your own contribution towards it's, because you're feeling very trapped, and sometimes when we trap, we act out. So please ensure there is harmony when it comes to your work situation. See, the other person can act in a way that speaks to them, but you have to sort of be the person who brings out that peace, because any kind of disharmony right now can actually harm you a great deal is also coming forward. Now, All right, there is a person in your life, or in the future, you could actually meet somebody like this is a male figure, okay, who's very kind, who's very benevolent, and who'll actually help you move forward in your career in a very, very rapid manner. Now, sometimes for you, Pilwan, this actually could mean that you may meet somebody really, really special at work, like actually have a romantic connection with them, and this person will really, really help you out. This person will balance your energies and channel them accordingly, and this person's suggestions can actually be to your best interest, is something that is coming forth as well. But definitely a man who's very kind and who's very, very compassionate is going to show up in your life when it comes to your career. Now, at the same time, you also have the divine physician, okay? So this is Archangel Raphael showing himself out to you in your career space. Now, in the future, you could actually be drawn to healing professions, yeah? Now, healing professions can be, of course, medical professions, allied professions. You could actually have like Reiki, pranic healing. Because, see, understand this, even if you do not want to make this a full-time profession of yours, making this a part-time thing, just to heal yourself, to help you or people who are close to you, because the times are such that a part of you requires that healing, so why not learn it yourself? So I really want to encourage you guys to learn any kind of patterns that will help you heal your energies. Now, yoga is an excellent way to do that, pranic healing is an excellent way to do that, but of course it really, really speaks to you individually. So whichever direction you want to go in, Archangel Raphael will help you move in that direction. But at the same time, the path ahead, if for a couple of you're facing any kind of challenges in your work, you're required to trust your intuition, you're required to trust your guidance, because you have the card of the mountain goat showing up, and the mountain goat, they are actually found in the most difficult of terrains, but even on a really sliding slope, they are able to hold themselves up firmly. And that is exactly what you need to do. No matter what the external terrain is, if you manage your internal terrain well, if you can just steady yourself no matter what is happening around you, you will be doing yourself the greatest amount of service, and actually then people will acknowledge that about you. Say, when it comes to work situations, people who are able to maintain calm even under chaos are the people who are greatly admired, and you are basically being asked to walk that path. Especially this makes sense because you had the card of 5 of Wands. So if you can hold your space, if you can hold your thought patterns in a harmonious manner, people will then acknowledge that about you, and that will actually help you in your forward movement in a very, very beautiful manner, is what is coming forth. So be wise, okay? You are meant to be the wise leader, is what is coming through for you. But look at that, when it comes to your career, you're fully supported, and especially if you feel like you're doing a job that is destined for you, like you're just meant to do. Yeah, you're gonna really get abundance in there, and not only abundance in terms of money, but in terms of other things as well. Maybe you'll come into extra money, or you'll come into a lot of help, and help in itself is a form of abundance as well. So devote yourself to a work that really speaks to you, and you will definitely have that divine assistance in the form of money showing up in your life. And look at this, you have not only one, but you have 2 mountain goats, okay? So that balance is something you absolutely have to maintain. That wisdom, having that space for yourself, is something you absolutely have to maintain. But at the same time, the message that is showing up out here is there is something in your life that is out of balance, and that needs to come back in balance. Of course, you guys are going to be very busy. There is a lot going to happen in your life. So maybe you need to take time to recharge your batteries, because if you take care of yourself, if you take care of your own energies, then your career will actually move forward in a very, very efficient manner, is what is coming forth. But if I just have to wrap it up, I am going to tell you, hold your vision, hold yourself firmly in the present moment. Whatever you're doing, give your 100% at it. Stick to one thing. If you sort of move on from one thing to another, move on from one thing to another, change your vision frequently, then that is just going to confuse you. Yeah, that is something that is really, really important. But a forward movement is absolutely on the cards. So wherever you are right now, you are just at the right spot and you are making progress in a beautiful manner. So whatever the Eight of Swords is for you is just an inner battle that you have to conquer and move forward is what is coming forth for you. As always, as I've wrapped this video up, I want to leave you with nothing but all of my beautiful prayers for you for a prosperous life, for a prosperous career and abundance for you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, these are the messages that you need to receive at this point of time when it comes to your work situation. Now, for you, the first card is it's a time to give rather than to take. Okay, now basically when it comes to your career right now, you just have to pull up your socks and give your best. Do not think about the outcome, do not think about the long term. For you right now is what you have. What can you do in this time? That is a question that you need to ask yourself and get down to work. Okay, it's just a time to give with your full heart and you will definitely earn the success that you truly deserve. Now we'll start up with your tarot. We have a lot more cards and stay tuned for that. Now when it comes to your tarot, you have 9 of Wands, 3 of Cups, 2 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, Judgment, High Priestess. All right. So basically, I feel like pile 2, you're already doing so much. Like you're pouring your heart and soul into your work. You're really giving a lot. And I think if you just keep doing that, you're just good, guys. You're totally good because that is the very first card that stood up for you. But sometimes you may feel like, is the dream that I'm working towards, is whatever I'm doing towards, is that meaningful? It is meaningful. That is something you absolutely need to understand. And what I really feel like is, you're carrying a lot many burdens. Not only are you guys involved in one thing right now, but you're trying to balance too many things. Now this could involve like working multiple jobs, working in multiple skills, or maybe working full-time on one thing and part-time on another. But there's just too much that you're doing. You need to sort of tone it down a little bit. Right now at this point of time, just take care of one thing, stick to it, and you'll be fine. That is what I'm really going to tell you. Okay, but at the same time, I feel like you're wanting to move in a different direction. Like wherever you are currently, maybe you feel a little bit saturated and you're like, what more? That question is on your mind. Will I get what I deserve? Is this it? That is a question. But let me tell you this, when it comes to your career, even if you move in a different direction, you are good. Trust yourself, trust your intuition, because if you are getting the intuitive nudges to move in a different direction, it is bang on, because you have the card of the High Priestess too. And whatever internal messages you're getting, you need to work on that, because movement is clearly there. If you move to something else, this could be a new job, this could be a new workplace, you will get the rewards that you seek is what is coming through for you. But at the same time, I feel like, you don't really want to make that decision. It's like, I know this is in front of me, but I'm really not sure. I just want to bury my head in the sand, and you do not want to take any concrete action towards it. So whatever is happening for you right now, it is in your head. All the plans that you have, it is in your head and you are refusing to act. But let me tell you this, if you act on your plans, if you act on your vision, they could actually work to the biggest advantage for you. Because not only do you have the card of 3 of Cups, it's like you have the card of Judgment too. So move where your dreams are asking you to, move where your internal guidance system is telling you to, because in that movement you'll actually come into greatest amount of blessings. But at the same time, this could actually mean that you are going to get the rewards that you seek. Okay, 3 of Cups is all about celebration, people coming together to celebrate something, like having like a get together when it comes to your work, going on a work related trip, all of that is possible, or just getting a very, very good news towards something that you've been working towards. Now this could also be like, if you are currently pursuing something, now this could be like an education, if you've been working towards some kind of a degree, some kind of an educational course or an exam, you could actually end up passing it if you do what you're currently doing. Yeah, but after you're done with that, if you want to move to something else, move, absolutely. trust your intuition right now is the message that is showing up for you. Now, along with that, financially, I feel like you're going to be coming into newer doors to value. So, money wise, things look really, really good for you. And having money showing up at your doorstep, so especially getting like an offer from somebody else for you, like you're happy with your work, you receive an offer, you accept it, and actually it gets you more pay than you're currently getting. Okay, so door to value is definitely opening up for you. Hard work is something you cannot escape pile to at this point of time. In fact, you are like those worker bees, like they really gather honey. They're going from this flower to that flower, gaining the best and submitting it in the beehive. Okay, so I also feel like all the knowledge that you're getting right now is actually building up to be something big. But let me tell you this, if in gaining knowledge as well, if you're spreading yourself too thin, why not do one thing at a time? Yeah, because that is also very important for you. But of course, all the hard work that the bee puts in brings out honey. So let me tell you this, all the hard work is absolutely going to pay off, and that has already been assured to you in the form of door to value. Now, travel movement along with work is also possible. So especially for a couple of you, moving to a new house, moving to a new country, to a new city, or to a new workplace or an educational institution is absolutely on the cards for you. Of course, taking a journey for given an examination is also there. And especially for students, maybe the university that you want to get into is not very close to your house. You'll have to move for it. That is also on the cards for you. But if you really want to get the best at something, practice is something that you cannot leave away from. Yeah, so practice your skills regularly, whether this is if you're preparing for an examination. Revision is something that you cannot ignore. Even if you are in an established career, do not ignore the basics. Keep reading, keep gaining knowledge, because as you practice, as you gain more information, you are really going to do well. But for you, practice is something you absolutely cannot ignore pile to. That is something that is showing up for you. But once again, you have the card of shark. So you are that brainy shark, that smart being who just knows what to do at the right time. That is you. So trust your instincts. If you feel like, I really need to do this, do that. Trust your instinct, trust your knowledge base, because that will absolutely not leave you astray. But at the same time, I have a feeling that some things are being held back from you. There are some things going on in your life or about your situation that you're not fully aware of. Now, especially for people in business, especially for people who are regularly involved in signing important documents, make sure you read things, maybe you read between the lines, that is also important. And don't be fooled. Don't be fooled is the message that is coming through for you. But if I have to sum this up, you're clearly carrying a lot of burden. If you can prioritize, do one thing at a time, that will be great. And it's a time to give rather than to take. So don't focus on the rewards or what you're going to gain out of that situation. Just keep doing what you're doing with your full heart, and you cannot escape the reward. Because my friend, you are like the bee who keeps working hard, who keeps going from flower to flower, gaining the best, and the reward is honey. And that honey has also showed up in your reading, and it is door to value. Money is absolutely strong for you in your future, and so is progress. Overall, those are the messages that you needed to hear when it comes to your career. As always, I want to leave you with nothing but my prayers for your success, for your growth, and for a beautiful life for you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 3, these are the messages that you need to receive when it comes to your career or work situation. Now, we'll start off with your Moonology. Okay, things are really moving forward at a rapid pace for you, because you've pulled the card of the energy is gaining momentum. Because slowly and surely you are reaching your goal. You're on the way. You're like really close, okay, right now. So don't give up pile 3, because if you keep doing what you're doing, you'll actually get the results that you seek. Now, we have many cards today, and in fact the clarifications have been simply brilliant. So I'll take that at the very end. But when it comes to your tarot, you have the Moon, 7 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, King of Wands, Page of Pentacles, and you have the Star. Okay, all right. First of all, I'll tell you this. When it comes to your work, you guys are good. Like, you're really, really good, okay? Because in today's reading, you're showing up as the Queen of Pentacles. And the Queen of Pentacles is like a brilliant queen, okay? Her mind is brilliant, she is brilliant, and she's absolutely loved, yeah? Now, I feel like as you move forward, gaining knowledge, gaining wisdom, studying is a huge part of your work situation. And even if you've not touched a book for a very long time, it's time you take things up once again. Go back to the basic. Study, read once again. Because in reading, in gaining knowledge, sometimes through actual working with somebody or learning from somebody, you'll actually make a lot of movement when it comes to your work. Yeah. At the same time, as you move forward, you may experience some kind of a mood fluctuation here. When it comes to your career, you're going to be like, oh, are things ever working out? Are they really making sense? Am I really moving in a direction that I should be going? Or I'm just walking in circles? Let me tell you, you are fine. This is just the planets acting on you, and the mood fluctuations, if you can get them under control, if you just think about positive thoughts, if you can just repeat some affirmations, when that happens, you'll be good. Yeah, but I feel like you're just going to be doing a lot of things. You're going to be managing work, you're going to be managing your personal life, and also learning, because you're meant to do everything together is what is coming through for you. Moving ahead, you actually have a lot of important choices to take, okay? And these choices are going to affect your future very greatly. Now, not only are these going to affect your immediate future, these choices are going to affect your far future at the same time, because you also have the card of Star. Yeah, so I feel like a part of you is going to revisit your hopes, a part of you is going to revisit your plans, and doing them up again or changing them a little bit can be something on your mind is what is coming forth. Because in the future, as you move forward, I feel like this could be something like 3 weeks, 4 weeks down the line, you could actually be drawing some new plans for yourself. Okay, now maybe you're changing your plans because the situation around you has changed. See, what happens is when energy gains momentum, when things get moving very quickly, there comes a point where we have to assess our own situation, to change certain decisions, to change certain ways in which we are working, to gain the results that we seek. And that is exactly what you are going to be doing, okay? But let me tell you this, it's going to work out for you. That is what I'm seeing here. But at the same time, I feel like your health requires your attention, okay? Because maybe you're just overthinking, or you're thinking too much, or because you're going to be so busy when it comes to work situation that you will neglect your health a little bit, and maybe that energy fluctuation, the mind related fluctuation can really happen, especially because you're managing too many things. Pay attention to your health, pay attention to well-being, and mentally disconnect, because that mental disconnect for you, for your work situation, is especially important. So if you are the kind of people who overthink, quit that habit. Yeah, just quit that habit is what is coming through for you. But I feel like you guys are good, especially if you reassess certain situation and you change your plans a little bit, you guys are going to be fine. This is like that final fine tuning that is showing up for you. Now, you also have the card of Door to Personal Healing and Happiness showing up. Yeah, so I believe certain decisions that you'll be taking, or certain outcomes of situations, will be to your highest liking, and that will bring you a lot of happiness to you. It will bring you a lot of satisfaction. Okay, I really have to tell you this, pile 3, don't worry too much, because I feel like you're worrying too much when in relation to your career. Peace is something that you have to find yourself. One thing that is happening with you repeatedly, you have the spirit of pigeon showing up in your readings. Okay, it was there in 3 other readings in the past, and that is showing up once again. And when I started your reading, in fact, there is a pigeon at my window who's been constantly cooing. Okay, so be peaceful, be calm, and be like the pigeon, who's so calm and who's so unbothered by the environment. That is something you have to be like. You're just walking the right path because your intuition is very, very strong right now. You have my absolutely favorite card, that of the Ladybird. So accept happiness and good fortune. So you have multiple cards telling you the same thing, that moving forward you are going to be coming into a personal well-being, happiness, good fortune, and healing. And maybe love as well may show up in your life. Yeah, because ladybirds, they always bring love with them. Yeah. And love who comes from afar, who comes from a different city, different country, maybe just keep an open mind, different culture, possible. But for some of you, if you are planning to change your career, if you're planning to change your specialization, you're being protected when it comes to that as well, because we started off with the Seven of Cups as well. And maybe you are going to be making a choice to change your career or change your specialization, change of job. Maybe that is possible, yeah. But especially if you get an opportunity from abroad or from a different city or a different country, especially pay attention to that. Pile 3, I really have to tell you, if you move to a different country, you'll have a very good fortune. So now, especially when borders are opening up, opportunities are coming up once again, try in that direction, because that could really, really work to your advantage. But you're being protected as you change your career. You also have the card of the game of chess. Now, chess is one of my absolute favorite games, because remember something, chess requires you to understand people's moves very, very thoroughly. So do you really know the basics of chess is something you have to ask yourself, yeah? So strategizing, making careful choices and decisions is something that you absolutely have to do, because just making mindless decisions without forward movement or without forward thinking can actually work to your detriment. So play the game of chess when it comes to your career and make strategic moves. Now, you also have the spirit of an ancestor showing up for you, so your ancestral guides, spirit guides, are also giving you the guidance that you seek. So especially right now, if any kind of signs show up for you, any kind of omens are showing up for you, it is a sign that they are giving you. Pay careful attention from it. And especially because you have the ancestral blessing with you, if you have ancestral guidance, you absolutely do not have to worry. Now, I'm also getting the message of forgiveness here, yeah. Maybe somebody is there in your life that you need to forgive, yeah, because if you forgive this person for whatever you've done to them, it's a karmic connection, yeah. Forgive this person, because if you forgive them, you'll sort of be free from these bonds, and by freeing yourself from these bonds, your career will actually move forward very, very rapidly. So is there a family member that you have to forgive? Think about this, okay? This is family, because you have the ancestral spirit coming up. Because an ancestor show up, it's always about family. Somebody in your family you need to forgive to move on, to gain a lot of success in your life is also what is coming forth. But overall, if I just have to sum this up, you guys are fine. You're just moving forward in a beautiful manner. The energy is gaining momentum. So if you just keep doing what you're doing in a way with certain fine tune and strategizing, you are going to get the results that you seek. And of course, with the card of Ladybug, happiness and good fortune is upon you. And so maybe an opportunity from abroad, a love message, a romantic message, never know. This can also be an opportunity via a loved one to move to a different city or country for your work situation, yeah. Now that is the message that I'm getting for you, and as always, I want to wrap this video up with a lot of prayers for a beautiful future for yourself. In forgiving, the path ahead will be very clear. So forgive somebody today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.